You have reached your destination.
Yep. What's that? All right, go for it. All right, there's my buddy John. We're about to put the body back onto the frame. I've taken all the stuff off that I need to take off, except for that. That has to go. Gas tank is down. Carbs are off. They're under the little thing there. Everything's ready to go. And John, you ready for it? All right, stand by. All right, you ready to do this? Okay, we're gonna move it over. You're gonna just position it. Look at the stuff in the back where you just unscrew those things. Here, these holes here, go there. It should fit just perfectly the way I've got the frame straight and everything else. I've got to lift it up a little bit higher over that brake line. So let's get it done. Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3, up. Oh, fuck, it's heavier. Oh, this is heavier than I remember. Yeah, well, it's also got all kinds of shit on it. Alright, down. Forward. No, that's my fault. Forward again. Keep going. Push forward, push forward.
As far as I can go.
Okay, push back. Pick it up. Pull back. What is it stuck on? I think I know what it is. All right, I am tickled fucking pink to see that this thing is now a naked, whatever you call this thing with caster wheels. John is not naked. Backsheesh is not naked, and neither is my MG. So this is a major milestone for me. I'm tickled fucking pink. I've got some alignment to do. That's not too awfully tough. You can see that they're just a little bit off, but I can adjust for that pretty easily. And John, say thank you, or thank you very much, John. You are the fucking man. And
Signing out.
yeah, cool. All right, so let me show you what you're looking at, and why I'm just so goddamn pleased with myself. These mount holes line up just about perfectly. I figured I'd have some jigging and some moving and some adjusting to do, but not a whole heck of a lot. A little bit there, but big deal, right? Same thing here. Yeah, but same thing here. Not a whole lot to do. Some more as the corners go on, but that's not going to be tough either. And all of this stuff lines up. It's all good to go. These side pieces, these long pieces, I had put on after the body had been taken off the frame, so I had some worry that it wouldn't fit, but it fits like a goddamn glove. In the trunk, these mounting holes, I got a little bit of work there to do. I forgot to take off the washers when no big deal, but the mounting right here is right where it needs to be. So my frame straightening is fucking gosh darn straight on and good to go. The mounting holes line up here and there. It fits like a, well, I don't know if it's right out of Abington, but god dang it, it fits like it should. And things are lining up to be mounted correctly. I'm going to disassemble that thing. I don't know what I'm going to do with the lumber, probably just put it up there, but I'm going to disassemble that thing. I'm going to pull up all of this plastic off of my garage floor. I'm going to clean up in here, and fucking hey, I'm going to have a beer. I'm just so dang happy with myself, with life in general. Yup. Some dirt there, and dust, big deal. Oh my goodness. I'm just, oh my goodness. Yep.